Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ilene and we're here with another Dollar Tree haul. So let's get started. The reason for this haul is because I was working on a project and I needed ribbon. So I had to go back to Dollar Tree and get more of the foiled ribbon, and thank goodness that they had the ribbon, because I picked these up and I picked these up so I could finish a project, and I really needed this one. So I got 2 of the white and 3 of the copper so I can finish that. And I also picked up 2 packs of the felt leaves. So here you go, felt leaves, the crafting aisle with the fall items. They're all hanging out and waiting to get something done to it. So I got those. I got 2 of those. And also in the fall section, I got 2 of the pumpkins. I wanted the white, but they were all gone, wiped out. So I got the red and the orange. They may or may not stay like that, of course, because, you know, who knows. I'll let you know when I get to that point. Anyway, I got the unicorn pencil case, and that is for me. I'm going to use that for some happy stuff. I'll let you know more later. Future project coming down. I also got some of the novelty stuff that everybody's been hauling. I got 2 of the pineapple string lights. You can see that there. And I got 2 of the unicorn lights. And those are both gonna go to my nieces. Some happy mail. Oh, both sets. And then I got 2 of the globe pens. The blue is for my son because he likes the globe. He really wanted it. And the purple is for myself because I want it too, and I like funky pens. I also hauled some candy just to have here in the craft room. And I got, did I just haul this? Parchment paper, so I can make some, it's so bright. There you go. So I can make some of those bags. Parchment paper is a lot more expensive at the grocery store, and I'm so glad they had it at Dollar Tree because they didn't have it when I first went looking for it. So I also got the Halloween stickers, and this one has 15, so there's the hats and the boots. Got that. And then I have this one's 16, and they have bats, ghosts, and pumpkins. And this one has 20, and these have bats, cats, and more pumpkins. So I got those for Halloween, which is not happening just about now. And then I had picked up a few of the boards. Yeah, mainly for Thanksgiving. I think I want to find the cornucopia, if I can find one, or if I can't, then I'll try to make one, but we'll see. I got the green. I got this. I don't even know what that one is. It just says decoration. And then I got this one. And they had 2 of these corns left, and the other one was in worse shape than this. So I got this one, left the other one. And I gave in and I got the new matte pumpkins with the gold tops. Got that one, and I got the green. So I got those. Alright, and then I got this tray to finish up another project of mine. I'll see if I can do a DIY video on that. But yep, I think that is about it for my haul. Oh, no. And this is the last thing I saw before I checked out were the placemats. And they had orange also with the silver in it. But look at that, guys. Pretty cool. So of course we're going to use that. Halloween, New Year's Eve, who knows what other holidays. Or I may not even use it on my table. It might be something else. So there you go. And I got 6 of these, just in case. And that wraps up my Dollar Tree haul. So I hope you all enjoyed it, and go back to Dollar Tree and check them out because they're bringing in more new things. Like I said, got to figure out those shipment dates and when they come in, and maybe you'll get lucky. But catch you on the next video, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe, leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you all and see what you're all interested in and what you know, what you think you want to see from me as far as crafting and all that. But yeah, don't be shy, and love you. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.